All right, everyone, welcome to Sour Horsepower. And what we're doing today is finally fixing the trailer. Well, not necessarily fixing it, but we'll say enhancing the trailer to make it easier to get the Hellcat on. So we stopped destroying our race ramps. So the plan is, got a nice piece of sheet metal over here. I'm gonna try and weld it between the ramps. So what that will, or between the sides of the ramp. So what that will do is hopefully evenly distribute the weight, so we're not just crushing the absolute corners with all of the Hellcat weight on these race ramps. So, buddy here.
How you doing?
Good. So he's going to weld it up for us. Got a nice piece of sheet metal. I'm going to clean it up. Weld between. I'll put on some, I guess, some time lapse of him working on it, and then yeah, hopefully you can hear me from the wind. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we are done with the first piece. So you want to explain exactly what we did here?
Sure. So we measured out, made sure that this piece was exactly square and even. Proceeded to weld to make sure that once the weight is on the ramp, it will be equally distributed. This is a piece of 3/16, so it's trussed by cold rolled, 1/4 inch by 1. So yeah,
Cool.
came out great.
Yeah, looks good. So now we got one more piece to do.
Yes, sir.
And then we'll let's see how it looks when it's down here.
Yeah.
So this, okay, hopefully you guys can see it on the camera. If not, we'll flip it around later for the sunlight. But yeah, looks good.
Cool.
All right, let's get to it. All right, so we're done. So David here's gonna go ahead and explain everything he did on the ramps.
Good. We reinforced this bottom support. That way when Chris puts it up on the ramps, it won't crush the sides. Ran beads down the backside onto the parent material. Ground down the edges to make sure everything's set nice and flush, nice and clean. Yeah, it's done.
Yeah. So you want to go ahead and give yourself a little business plug here?
Yeah, absolutely. My name is David. I'm the owner and operator of Fuestles Welding Services, and we're based out of Carroll County, Maryland. And if you need anything, give us a call.
Cool.
Yeah.
All of his information will be in the description below. But yeah, I think it looks good. I just got to hit it with some touch-up paint and stuff here once it all cools down. But as I trip over the ramp here, so that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give us a like, comment below your thoughts on everything we did here. If you got any other suggestions on how we can fix our little issue, but hopefully we got it taken care of today. That's gonna be it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.